Here I have Tenori and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the browser. In that case it's Chrome, so let's just open some page on browser, and here let's use more key and select here the settings. From settings let's scroll down and choose privacy. Here we need to scroll down again and choose here clear browsing data. So here you can use the basic cleaner or you can choose advanced, and here you can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached image and files, save passwords, autofill form data, site settings, media license. What's also really interesting, you can clear those data from last hour or for example from all time. So that's it. Now all you need to do is simply tap clear data and tap clear one more time to confirm the operation. That's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.